Tim in New York has a toilet question. What can we do for you?
Yes, I have a toilet in my second floor bathroom, and every time I flush it, it gurgles until everything flushes down.
Well, if you flush it and it's like starving for air and like gulping, then it's not vented properly. Somewhere the vent is blocked. Now, I'm not quite sure where that is. It's probably very
it's on
close.
The second floor.
No, I understand where it is in your house, but I'm trying to say within the lines of their house. I'm not quite sure where the blockage is, but if it's somehow obstructed, that's why you get that kind of gulping sound, because when you flush a toilet and you drop all that water down, it has to the physical space has to be replaced with air, and if it's not enough air, that's where you get sort of this gulping where it's sort of starving for air. So the vent pipe is obstructed. Have you tried to actually snake it out?
No, I didn't, but we took a garden hose and I went up on it's a third floor house. It's an old house. And we went up on the roof, and we ran the garden hose. And
was it always this way, or is this something?
No, it just happened. It happened back in February. It's been like this just recently.
I have a feeling that something is obstructed. Now, have you checked the toilet itself?
Because no, I snaked it. I have one of the regular toilet snakes, a rigid snake.
Okay.
And I ran the snake down it. It's and snaked it about 20 or 30 times just to be sure.
So it's not possible that something is trapped in the body of the toilet.
I mean, I ran a snake through. I don't know if that will get rid of everything that might be.
But you ran it from the bowl, right? And you're sure that you got it through the entire toilet itself.
I have. Yeah, it's
all
the
right,
one
well, that's
with
probably
the
clear. It's probably clear.
It's shaped like a J.
Okay, yeah. That's probably clear. Then I suspect it's somewhere below that, but when you get that gulping air sound, it's definitely a blocked vent somewhere.
That's what I thought it was, and when I went up on the roof and my son looked down,
it's escaping you. It's just you've not found it yet, but I have a feeling somewhere you're going to find a tennis ball fell in there, or a golf ball, or something got in there, and it's blocking some of the air, and that's what's causing that.
Yeah, I was thinking about just changing out the bowl itself.
Well, that's not going to solve it, though. But that's not going to solve it.
Yeah.
If it's beyond the bowl.
Yeah.
All right, Tim, you're on the right track, though.
I appreciate the time.
All right, thanks so much for calling us at 888-MONEY-PIT.